If you're pulling your hair out trying to code your self-employed client's bank statements in time for the self-assessment deadline, there's no need to be stressed because with Clearbooks, we can code your whole bank statement for your client instantly. So I'm going to drag the bank statement in here. Let me move this across so we can see this. The statement gets uploaded and processed. So I've mapped my columns, description, amount, date, and the software is going through and coding each transaction to the right account code based on the sole trader chart of accounts that's in the system. Instead of going through each account manually, choosing or each transaction manually choosing which account code to code it to, Clearbooks does it all for you while you don't even have time to go away and get a cup of tea. I mean, I've just been yapping and there we are. We've got it done. 178 transactions sorted in 22 seconds. I am feeling pretty smug about that. Here's an overview of how many were done and how long it took. And then I can sort of see an overview for my client of how much revenue they had and which account codes that was all the expenses were coded to. So there's my full trial balance down here at the bottom, so I can take a look. I can dive down into any of these to see the transactions that make it up. So this all looks good to me, but if I wanted to recode some, I can click on one, or I can choose a few of them and take all of those, and I can quickly edit them to change the account code to a different account code. But that's great, but where's the self-assessment return? So let's take a look under the tax menu at the self-assessment return for self-employment. And here's my SA103. It's got all of the boxes filled in automatically based on what's gone into the trial balance. So if I want to take a deep look at any of those, I can dive in and see all the transactions that make up that box. So no more self-assessment headaches. Visit clearbooks.co.uk to take a free trial or book a demo. We'd love to show you a bit more detail about how this can help you and your clients this self-assessment season.